of this country.
Si Kukang, Isani.
Halo.
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 Mute.
Tes. Okay, Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining here. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ansani Hanin. You can call me Sani. I'm from Subang, and I school in SMAN 1 Subang. I'm from PCT 8 Group 2D. I'm here as host, and my friend namely Raka Rasindria school in SMAN 1 Subang. From VCT Group 2A as the moderator. And Fahri Andika Diputra school in SMAN 1 Subang from VCT Group 2A as the presenter. Before going into the presentation, I will tell you some rules. For participants, please turn off the microphone temporarily when the presenter is speaking, so the presentation will run smoothly. And the question will be limited too because the time is limited. Please, the moderator.
Okay, thank you for host. Today I'm gonna be the moderator, and before go to the material, I'm gonna read the CV of the presenter. The presenter now is Fahri Andika Diputra. He's born in Subang, 27 October 2003. The story of school. He school in primary school in SD Kara IT Subang, junior high school in SMP IT Alami, and senior high school in SMAN 1 Subang. So for the presenter.
Okay, thanks to moderator. Okay, then I'll explain the presentation of Let's Get Started. Okay, negative effects of video games. Negative effect of video games, more than uh, 2,164 million American adults play video games. Of course, like anything else in life, if you're gaming in moderation, it can be a fun way to disconnect from the real world for a little while. According to Limelight Network, the state of online gaming 2019 report adult gamers worldwide are playing an average of 7 hours and 7 minutes of video game each week, which is a 20% increase compared to 2018. Sure, it might seem like a harmless escape, but if you're spending that much time gaming, it's important to be aware of the risks involved. Here are some of the negative effects of video games on your health. According to medical professionals and scientific study, 10 negative effect of video games. Dopamine addiction and they damage your vision. Dopamine addiction, when you play video games, your brain release a constant dopamine supply with occasional random bursts. Over time, your brain gets used to this steady supply of the dopamine, and the nucleus accumbens requires even more dopamine release for gaming to feel fun. That prevent you from enjoying anything that is not as stimulating as a video game. They damage your vision. In 2018, the American Optometric Association Association wait cautioned gamers that starting at video gamers for extended periods of time can cause what referred to as digital age strain, which also occurred after spending hours in front of a computer or cell phone screen. Long-term digital age strain can result in reduced visual abilities, such as blurred distant vision. Toxic environments and escaping and being stuck in life. Toxic environment. Statistic on the gender breakdown on the internet say that it consists of about 54% males and 46 females as of 2019. However, some space such as Twitch are male dominated. That is a lot of people in the gaming community who might feel that anger is the only acceptable emotion that they can express, and it is no surprise that the communities are so toxic. Escape, escaping and being stuck in life. If you spend uh, 10 hours a day playing video game, then there is a chance that you are not facing the problem in your life head on. While it can be quite painful to do so, it is also one of the best ways to move forward. You don't have to quit video games. You can maintain and healthy balance by taking on step at a time to take back control of your life. Alexithymia atau emotional suppression and they lead to neck pain. Alexithymia emotion suppression. When we exercise fear, worry, shame, or other negative emotion, the amygdala becomes active. The amygdala is the part of the brain that governs this negative emotion. It is also integral to our learning circuitry, since it creates connection to the hippocampus, the center for learning in our brain. They lead to neck pain, as if wrist and shoulder pain is no pain too much time playing video game can also cause neck pain. According to the result of a 2019 survey carried out by Healthy Insurance Mutualities Libras, 16, 60% of gamers between the age of 12 and to 23 reported physical symptoms such as neck pain. Impair your hearing and can affect the brain negative. Impair your hearing is probably not as of to learn that video game can harm your hearing to us audio notice that because repeat exposure to loud sound can make the tiny hairs in your cochlea, which are responsible for picking up vibration and sending them to the brain to be interpreted as a sound, can affect the brain negatively. Video games do not necessarily lead to mental health problems. However, you can be at high risk for video game addiction if you already suffer from depression, anxiety, or other mental illness. This this is due to the way video game affect your brain. A study that look at the effect of gaming on mental health found that problematic gaming habit correlated with maladaptive coping strategies, negative emotion, low self-esteem, a preference for solitude, and for school performance, social disconnection, and tendinitis. Social disconnection. An Iranian study done on second grade student in 2009 found that individuals who were addicted to video games tended to have lower social skill than those who were not. Social interaction is a skill, and if you spend most of your time alone in your room, playing game and not interacting with other people in real life,
Lama.
then that skill will
Lama?
that can lead to social anxiety, which makes the problem worse. Tendonitis, carpal is the only right issue that video game can cause, as the Cleveland Clinic notes. Gamers often develop hand and wrist over problem like tendonitis with a painful inflammation of the thick tissue that attaches your bone to your muscle. Calculation. As you might have noted, most of negative effect of video game arise from excess time use. Even the healthy issues mentioned only become a problem when a person spends or in one else playing video game. While it might seem like video game can create a lot of problems, there are plenty of gamers that lead successful life and still play video games. Moderate doses of gaming make all the difference between playing game for enjoyment and gaming controlling your life. If you can if you can address the underlying issue that make you want to play video game for 10 hours a day, you can take back control of your life. Thank you for give us if there is a technical error.
Okay, thank you for the presenter for explaining the material. And now time for Q&A session. If you wanna any question? Indra. The question from Indra. The question is, what are the negative effect for playing the game? For the presenter, please answer the essay.
Uh, negative impact such as dopamine addiction, they make your vision toxic environment.
Okay, thank you for the presenter. Any question again? Okay, if nobody want to ask again, we will end this meeting. For the host, it's your time.
Okay, thanks for presenter and moderator. Maybe until here the meeting today. Thank you for attention and time. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So absent or attendance list is available in chat box, chat column. You can fill the attendance list or absent list in chat box, chat column. If you don't fill the attendance list, you can leave this meeting. Okay, I will end this meeting.